Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Quinn, and for today's video we're going to be DIYing some pearl mixed gemstone clips, hair clips. You guys have commented and requested that I do more pearl things since my video creating the pearl mask chain. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here. Pearl clips and bobby pins in general have been very popular, especially for the winter cooler season. For this video I wanted to do a mix of both. In general, just really like gemstones, especially for the holiday season. I think gemstone like green, blue, maroon gemstones are very festive and very pretty and beautiful. So we're gonna incorporate pearl and gemstone together as one and make some hair clips for the holiday. Okay, so before I start, I want to remind you guys to check out my Etsy shop where I sell jewelry pieces like this pearl earrings and herringbone necklace. So if you guys are interested in jewelry and stuff like that, I think this pearl earrings with the little twisted hoop is so perfect and so luxe for the holiday. Pearl anything is so easy to wear for any season, year-round. So elegant. So if you guys are interested in this piece, I will link my Etsy shop. It's called Delicate Living down below, and you can check out my other pieces that I have. I will link it down below in the description, so check it out. For this video, I got the jumbo snap clip. I was trying to find the gold ones because I want the base to be gold, but I couldn't find any, so I just got black. I'm going to be spray painting over these with gold spray paint. And then I got the bobby pins in gold. These were about $3 to $4 max, so they're pretty cheap. And then you will need the E6000 glue. This is gonna be my first time using this glue. I'm very excited. A lot of people use this for craft. And then you will need gemstones. So I got these from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description box below. I got the green gold gemstone. These are so beautiful. I was searching everywhere for these, and for some reason it was really hard for me to find the gemstone on top of the backing, the gold backing. I was very specific on this exact gemstone, so I will link it down below. And then I have this box of gemstones, but these big pearls I already had in my old video. I will link this down below. These are 12mm pearls. These are the 4mm, and all the gemstones that you see here is just another order of the multicolored gemstones. I took some of the green and I put it here, but the multicolor is just one order. It comes in a package like this in different shapes and color, and I like that they're really big gemstones, and this is exactly what I'm looking for to do this DIY today. So I will link the exact gemstone down below. Lastly, because my jumbo clips are not gold and I want it to be gold, I'm going to be using this gold spray paint to spray on top of these clips to make them gold. Here are my clips. I'm going to just spray paint them. Okay. So this is my first time using this glue, and I squeezed a little bit out and so much came out, and it keeps coming out. I'm not sure why. So I recommend you put it on a little piece of paper or something. So this is your bobby pin. Use the flat side, so that side, because there's more flat surface for the gemstone to go on top. Take this bobby pin, wipe the back where you plan on gluing, and then take your gemstone and then place it on the back of your gemstone like this. Hold it until it dries. Okay, so while that one is drying, the clips are done. I spray paint this gold front and back. I want to put a heart here onto this clip and a bunch of small pearl. So let's start on this one. You want to leave it unclipped like this so it sits flat. So you want to put a little bit of this glue onto here.
You see the sun, I see the moon, buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road.
So while that design is drying, let's do another one. You want to place the pin onto the gemstone and let it sit to cure. Okay, so this one is good. It's not completely dry yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the second gemstone on top like this. Okay, for this part, guys, I'm gonna use some toothpick. This is the easiest way to get the glue on. So I'm gonna get some glue, put it onto the side. And then I'm gonna take this clear gemstone, round, put it on top. You wanna like give it time for it to cure. So I'm gonna put that down. Okay, so this one is kind of secured now. For this design, I wanted a big pearl next to it. So this is a stringing pearl, so there's like holes on both sides. So you want to have that face sideways and put the glue on this side, and the holes are going to be on this two sides. So when it's facing up, you won't be able to see the holes. Take the pearl, place it next to the gem. Okay, so while those two are drying, I want to add the mini pearls all around this clip.
You see the sun, I see the moon, buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far.
You guys, the key is to have the holes facing sideways and towards the other pearl, so the top never gets exposed. Also, I think the glue is now working better when it's a little bit more tacky and dried down. I think it's sticking onto the pearl much better.
Maybe one day we can break the distance.
Next design, I'm pairing this beautiful brown gemstone with this also very pretty yellow circle. And I'm going to be doing this gemstone facing it down vertically this time instead of horizontally, unlike the green gemstone. I meant to place the green in a vertical way as well, but I messed up. So this one I'm doing correctly, and then I'm just doing 2-in-1. I press the already glued hairpin on top of the gemstone and then pushing it down to secure and then letting it dry.
See you face to face without a screen cutting through. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless.
I want to share with you a trick that I learned. Since this was my first time using the E6000, you want to squeeze out the glue onto a piece of paper, and like glue's going to continuously just keep coming out because this is a metal tube. Anyways, you want to close it, but this is what you want to do before gluing it onto your piece. You want to just spread it out like this and make it all thin and kind of tacky. You scoop some up onto a toothpick and then you apply. That is the easiest way for you to glue onto your pieces without it like slipping around. That's the trick.
You see the sun, I see the moon, buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard.
This is more of like a my color combination, a my color tone, like fall. This pen together, it's like the perfect color combination. I love it. The other one, the one that was pink with the pearl, is more like girly and cuter, but this is like my style. Like I love this combo. The gemstones on the bobby pins, they worked out the best. I waited for the clip to dry, the one with the little small mini pearl, and I feel like it wasn't as secure, so I don't recommend doing that style. These, however, work so well, and I'm not even kidding you. I saw this inspo online, one pin and then This one's okay. I don't love it. This is just like my combo. Like green and gold is so beautiful. Yeah, so anyways, I'm not even joking with you guys. Like I saw these similar pins sold online. One of these, Uno pin for $82 for one. And like literally this whole DIY cost me less than like $30 maybe, and you can like make so many. So I hope you guys appreciate this DIY. I think this is actually really like luxe and really beautiful. Like this 2 combo is great. This one I don't really love, but like this I love. So good for the holidays, so festive. I'm so excited for the holidays to wear this out. I mean, I can wear this out right now because it's fall, but yeah, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.